video. This is going to be a very, very relaxing video for us, because today's video is all about just drive therapy. I'm in my Civic Type R race car, and I'm out on the streets, which is one of the reasons why I still keep it license plated, is because I like to take it out on the street and just enjoy the back roads of Pennsylvania. I live out here in the mountains of Pennsylvania, in the Poconos, and it's an awesome area. I love being here, and one of the reasons I love being here is because, honestly, the back roads here are amazing. Now, I don't have to be going crazy speeds. I don't even have to go that much faster than the speed limits. Just driving around is more than fun enough. Saying hello to the people, waving hello at everybody is one of the best things that I can do to really de-stress myself. Let me know in the comments if you guys do the same thing that I do when I need to kind of let go of some stress. I just get in my car and drive. I just get in here, enjoy what I've built. Because honestly, as you guys know, most of you guys, actually, most of you subscribers, told me that the car was totaled, it's dead, it'll never drive again. And here we are, just enjoying it, driving it around, full race car mode, obviously, but still able to drive it around. That's the beauty of Honda, you know. Their engines and transmissions are so reliable. Well, let's leave the transmissions out of it. Their engines are so reliable that you can take them, you can race them, and then you can daily them the next day. That's how good they are. The K20 engine is a gem of an engine. I really do recommend it. And the sounds and sights of this car is really what gets me going. It's one of the best things about this car. The torque. A little fifth gear pull right there. Oh, so nice. So, I'm really excited where the channel's going, guys. You know, I do have to apologize again for not being able to upload a lot of videos in the last couple of months. I've been really busy getting my workshop open. I have a 30 by 50 foot workshop getting opened up in my house, so I can bring you guys a lot more content, a lot more videos, and I can personally work on cars all year long. If it's raining, if it's snowing, it doesn't matter. It's also going to be a nice place that I can store my cars. I'm tired of leaving all my cars kind of outside in the rain and snow. I'm not the biggest fan of that. I don't like that. So I've been really busy getting that done. I've been doing all the work myself. I have a Kubota SBL 75-2, which is a track loader or skid steer or bobcat, depending on where you're from and what you call it. But you know, that'll never get old. That'll never get old. This is why I always tell you guys, I'm never getting rid of this car. This car is with me for life. For life. I hope to one day make it to Pikes Peak in this thing. But yeah, in the meantime, I'm going to be, when I get my metal building up, because I've already done the concrete work. If you guys want to see, actually, me doing all that work, I have another channel called Modern Outdoor Living. And all I do in that channel is farm work, Kubota work, reviews on gear. Because I live out in the sticks. I have 21 acres of land where I live, and it's really nice. And I love maintaining it. I have a lot of plans for my property as well, so if you're into that kind of stuff, go ahead and take a look at those videos. But I went ahead and I cleared the land, cut a bunch of trees down, leveled it out, got a bunch of gravel, spread it out, and I have a concrete pad. I'm getting a metal building installed very soon. You guys will see that in this channel. When the metal building comes, I'll share that in this channel. I'm also going to be sharing my garage build-outs. As we all know, it's one thing just having a building and a concrete pad. It's a whole nother thing making all of that functional. Man. build series. Again, I'm going to share that on this channel and the other channel. Once I get my metal building, I'm going to build out the shelves, the walls, I'm going to put in benches, and of course, workbenches. And of course, I'm going to be having a lift installed. I'm probably going to install it myself. It's going to be a bent pack lift, 9,000 pounds I'm looking at. If you guys have any suggestions on what lift to get, or any suggestions really on how to build a proper garage, let me know in the comments below. Always appreciate when you guys leave comments. I try to answer as many as I can. I get a lot these days of comments, which is good. I like the interaction, guys. And yeah, if you guys have a hookup for any bent pack lift or anything like that, also let me know. And you know, if you have a hookup, email me, please. I am more than happy to take any help I can get here. The workshop build alone is not cheap, and as you guys know, I also have a Corvette that I am starting to work on and film. So I'm doing a lot of things here for myself, for my family, for the channel. So let's do another pull. Let's just do another pull here. Second gear, forward. Oh yeah, you really doesn't get old. It just does not get old. Oh yeah, so what's coming up in the future for this car? Well, I gotta get the suspension done. I gotta get the nice camber going. I gotta get... There's a lot of gremlins this car has. By gremlins, I mean I changed the seats, and I think it doesn't like it. The computer doesn't like it that it doesn't have the SRS sensors and things like that that the seats come with. So I'm gonna have to do something about tricking the computer into fixing itself, because it's very annoying that I can't put it in plus R mode and change the steering feel of the car. Right now I have stock suspension as well, so in plus R mode I can stiffen up the suspension and make the car feel that much better. Can't do any of that right now. That's unfortunate. That's alright. It is what it is for now. I'll figure it out. As soon as I get my workshop, of course it'll be heated and all that good stuff. I'll be able to work on things at a much faster and better pace. As it is right now, as you guys know, it's pretty difficult to just be out in your driveway in the middle of winter working on your car. I still do it. Don't get me wrong. It's just not pleasant. So you don't do it as often as you probably would if you have a workshop. Man, this car's really loud. What do you guys think? I actually enjoy the loudness of this car. I enjoy that it's raw now. It's I think what Honda wanted it to be from the beginning, right? They wanted it to be a nice raw experience, and Honda wanted you to feel the road. It wanted you to hear the road. Unfortunately, you can't sell a car like this out of a factory and expect people to actually buy it, unless you're a Porsche owner. Then you buy a GT3 RS, and trust me, that's about what I did with this thing. Of course, it's not as fast as the GT3 RS. I call this the backwards GT3 RS, as we know that the 911s have the engines all the way in the back, behind the axle, the rear axle. Civics have the engine all the way in the front, in between the axles. So yeah, it's just a backwards GT3 RS. Let's go with that. But yeah, drive therapy. You really can't go wrong. I'm so glad I decided to build it up, rebuild it instead of parting it out. That would have been sad, you know, knowing that this chassis, after I stripped it of all its parts, would have been sitting in a landfill somewhere. Not my cup of tea. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little installment of drive therapy. I'm going to be doing this every once in a while. I'm going to bring up topics and things like that I just want to talk about. I may be in the Corvette, I may be in this car. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. I certainly did. Catch you guys next time. Peace.